raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling away. To the beach and then crying something. I'm never gonna stop the rain, I've been waiting, 'cause you're free. Raindrops keep falling on my head. The good doesn't mean my eyes will soon be deserted. Crying something for me, 'cause I'm free. If you receive my letter telling you got to be free, tell me, you still want me? Oh, darling, yellow ribbon around the old tree. It's a dream longing to still want me. If I don't see, if I don't see a yellow ribbon around the old tree. Sugar, honey, honey, you were my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey.
Grabe, you're so gorgeous tonight, Mommy. Kilala niyo pa ba ako? And thank you so much, syempre, for this opportunity, syempre, Daddy Razon's family, and also sa ating mga guests. Pwede po kayo magsiupo para kay Mami. Nagtatayo sila para sa iyo. Mami Adele, how are you today, Mami Madel? Kasi Mami Madel po talaga kanyang...
Hindi ko na. Nakuluan na ko eh.
Salamat daw po. Parang si Mami. Umay ko na po kay Mami. Magandang people, syempre, for sure, itong mga guests na din talagang malapit na malapit sa ating celebrant. Guys, for sure, iba dito manalayo pa, guys.
Dear Lord, thank you for the life of my grandmother. Thank you for all the wisdom and advice that we benefit from her. It's her birthday today. We know that you have blessed her long life and given her lots of children and grandchildren. We are grateful for your perfect gifts in her life. We ask that you protect her from sickness and diseases. Give her peace in her heart and in her mind. Cause her to appreciate all you have done for her and count her blessings. Help her to feel fulfilled and blessed for where she is or who she is at the moment. Give her favor and grant her strength. Help her feel...
Pangalan? Ano po pangalan? Very good. Sunod siya. Ang inangangako po na mag-enjoy, parang mahina, na mag-enjoy sa araw ito. Hindi po ako mag-KJ. At importante sa lahat, sige, sasalita ko yan. Ang importante sa lahat, very good. Ay hindi ko ako uuwi agad. Lalo na pagkatapos namin kumain. Tama po ba, Mami? Tigil po kami. Magsha-Sharon. Sino ba ang Sharon yan dito? Nag-Lorians, very good. Lorians, very good. Katniel, maganon. Ulit Katniel, ganon, ganon. Ng mga pagkain. Hanggat di po natatapos ang program. Sa huli, Daddy, sa huli, palagi kami nakangiti. Simula ngayon, hanggang matapos ang program. Ha-ha-ha! Hihi! Nyaw-nyaw! Palakpakan mo ulit sa amin. 3, 2, 1. Alright, there you have it. We have the first 3 of the best and the longest belts. Tusan nyo yung mga kalumawalan, maraming mga naman. Table number 5.
Sexy on the cover. She called me with some bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touching on me, but she says I'm Mr. Romantic, tell me fantastic. Touching on me, but she says I'm Mr. Boom. Ako ay isang model.
mountain to let me shine.
And Christina and Tata's Catering. Thank you so much. Don't forget to smile.
Sana always good and healthy. Always healthy and always happy. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi po.
Happy birthday, Adela. Ang wish ko sa'yo, kalusugan, peace of mind, at sana lagi kang masaya. Happy birthday, my friend.
Early birds natin sila po na una dito sa araw na ito. Mamaya maganda ng give love para sa ating early bird. Hi, Mommy. Priscilla. What is your message?
Sa'yo, sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday at maayos na kalusugan. Mahal na mahal ka ng Diyos. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Priscilla. Next on our list is Ma'am Flor Baltazar. Ma'am Flor, what is your message para sa ating birthday celebrant?
My friend Adela, happy birthday. I love you.
Sweet, but ganun. Short and but sweet. Thank you so much.
Happiness with your apo and your family. At sana mabigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay kasama ang inyong mga pamilya.
At magpapaiyak po sa ating celebrant ngayon. Alright? Mami Angelina, sa ipo nakasalalay. Para sa Best Actress Award ngayong araw na ito.
Happy birthday, Press Adela. I wish you good health, and peace of mind. More birthdays to come. God bless. I love you.
Wow. The peace of mind is one of the important.
More than just my secret. It's carrying love, it's carrying children of our own. Here is different.
Hello, ano natin? Kayo po sa
My baby, do that wrong, I know you can't afford it, so any longer, come on, take it on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
You must be blessed! because this cake symbolizes the happiness and more life to come. So guys, isa-isa tayo. Ayan. Just give me a light. 1! Happy
Macarena, que tu cuerpo para la alegría cosa buena. Bala tu cuerpo, alegría, Macarena.